I'm sure sports here with Nicoy Christian, informed midfield, one of the best so far in the Premier League, in my thought. Sum up your performance so far in the whole entire league, Nicoy.
It's very good season for me. I've been working and we have a better team than last season. So I think it's the right time to showcase my talent.
On the field of play, you look different from everybody else. Your IQ is up. Your change of play to the other side often in the games. All of the good stuff that everybody come out to watch and see in the game. You have style also. You have entertained the fan. Tell us about those things.
I have a lot of knowledge about the sports, a lot of experience, and I know the game. I took the game a lot, and so it kind of make it a little easier for me.
Which one of the international players you idolize?
Kevin De Bruyne.
Who?
Kevin De Bruyne.
Kevin De Bruyne. So where can we see Nicoy Christian in the future playing football?
Well, I would say anything possible, I'm here working, waiting for the opportunity to go anywhere.
Do you want to make the national team?
Definitely. We want to make the national team.
You think the work that you're doing can get you that cap?
Yeah, I think I have to do a lot more work, but I think I'm getting there.
Thank you very much, Nicoy, and continue to do the good work and entertain the fans.
Thank you.